In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external users to a Slack channel. If you're looking to collaborate with partners, clients, or anyone outside your organization, this is a fantastic way to seamlessly integrate external communication into your Slack workspace. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. Head over to the workspace you're part of and ensure you have the necessary permissions to invite external users. If you're not sure about your permission status, it's a good idea to check with your Slack administrator. Once you're in the right workspace, look at the left-hand side of your Slack window where you'll find your list of channels. Go ahead and select the specific channel you want to add the external user to. It's essential to know that external users can be invited only to channels where you have the appropriate permissions, and the channel settings permit external collaboration. After selecting the channel, you'll want to look toward the channel header at the top. Here, you'll find the Add People button, or an icon resembling 2 or 3 stacked figures. Clicking this will open a new interface or window where you'll be able to enter information about the person or people you wish to invite. At this stage, it's time to enter the email address of the external user you're inviting. Be very careful here, as typing in an incorrect email could result in an invitation not reaching the intended recipient. Make sure the email is correct, and if you have multiple users to invite, you can add more email addresses by separating them with a comma or pressing enter after each. After you've entered the email addresses, take a moment to review the invitation details. This is when the Slack interface might ask you to select the type of access or permissions for the external users, depending on how your organization manages its Slack workspace security. Be sure to choose the appropriate settings that match the level of access or information sharing that you think is necessary. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and send out that invitation. The external users should receive an email prompting them to join your Slack channel. Ensure to inform them to check their inbox and spam folders just in case the invitation email doesn't land directly to their primary inbox. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to bring external users into your productive Slack environment. Remember, keeping communication clear and permissions well managed is key to maintaining a secure and effective workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you unlock a new level of collaboration in Slack.